Monsome News Agency informs.
A postage stamp commemorating the 70th anniversary of establishment of diplomatic relations between Mongolia and the People's Republic of China was released on October 16th at the State House. The first day ceremony was attended by Deputy Prime Minister of Mongolia, Ichtupshing, Chinese Ambassador to Mongolia, Xing Haiming, and other officials. The postage stamp was issued by Mongol Post Company at the initiative of Mongolia's Deputy Prime Minister within the framework of the celebration of the diplomatic anniversary. With small children in traditional Mongolian and Chinese dresses, flags, and names of the two countries, as well as unique patterns of both nations displayed on it, the anniversary postage stamp was printed with 12,000 serial numbers and 6,000 first-day covers. Deputy Prime Minister Ichtupshing remarked that this postage stamp will become a heritage symbol of comprehensive strategic partnership between Mongolia and China for succeeding generations and an invaluable item for collectors. Ambassador Xing Haiming defined the release of the postage stamp as a sign of great respect paid by the Mongolian people to their Chinese counterparts. The postage stamp 70th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Mongolia and the People's Republic of China, signed by the Mongolia's Deputy Prime Minister and Chinese Ambassador, will be preserved at the Museum of Mongolian Postage Stamps.